Hi everybody, it's Wolf4468 and today I'm going to be showing you how to restore your iPod. Well, recently on my last video, I showed you how to restore and how to put music in your video. I'm going to focus on restore. You know how your files got corrupted and you feel blown for not following my directions? Well, I'm going to help you fix that. First, once you have that corrupted screen that says for you have to do this, that, fix it on your iTunes. It should look like this. I don't know if y'all could see it, so let me lower the brightness on this thing. Okay. I don't know if you my mind. Well, it should actually say okay to disconnect, and when it's connected, it should have a screen that has a stop sign. Well, a sign that says don't do that or something. Check this out one more time. No, anyways, it should have a screen that says okay to disconnect or do not disconnect. I don't know if y'all can't see it. Or is it my screen? Well, what it says is not okay to disconnect. What you want to do is press the center button. Press the center button and the up button at the same time. Hold it for like 11 seconds or 12. But just keep holding it so a different screen pops up until it reboots. Once it rebooted, you want to quickly press the center button and the left button. And I did this all wrong. If you get it wrong, do it again until you did it. Apparently I did the wrong way, because this is how to jailbreak it. And it should have a screen like this. And this is how you jailbreak it, but that's not what you want. You want to know how to fix your iPod. Well, apparently you can. Don't be whining on your teeth. Do the same thing I told you, but instead of the left button, hold the down button. And it should have a picture of this okay to disconnect, but on top it should be say disk mode. And what you want to do is plug it into your computer and go to iTunes. If you can find it, and restore it. And that's, my friends, how to restore your iPod if you didn't follow my directions. Okay, you got that? Peace. I shall see you next time.